Hi everyone! Are you struggling with screen brightness on Windows 11? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust laptop screen brightness, fast in just seconds. First, use your keyboard. Most laptops have brightness keys with a sun icon on the top row. Just hold the FN key and press the brightness up or down key. This is the quickest method. Second, use quick settings. Press Windows key plus A on your keyboard. A panel will open, and at the bottom you'll see a brightness slider. Drag it left to decrease brightness or right to increase it. Third, you can adjust brightness through settings. Press Windows key plus I, go to System, then Display, and move the brightness slider. If your brightness keeps changing automatically, turn off auto brightness in display settings. That's it. These quick methods help you control screen brightness easily in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.